A Valentine's Day wreath is the perfect way to welcome love, warmth, and festive charm into your home. Whether you prefer romantic, rustic, or modern designs, DIY wreaths let you personalize your decor with creativity and heart. Using simple materials like ribbon, florals, or felt, you can create a beautiful wreath that celebrates the season of love. Let's explore DIY Valentine's Day wreath ideas that make your doorway, mantle, or wall look irresistibly sweet and stylish. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What about using fabric scraps? Tie fabric strips around a wire frame to create a fluffy rag wreath. Mix pinks, reds, and patterns for a playful, textured Valentine look. Fabric styled? Like this if your wreath feels cute and creative. What colors should I use for a Valentine wreath? Traditional pink, red, and white always work, but rose gold or burgundy adds elegance. Choose shades that complement your decor style. Palette chosen? Like this if your color scheme feels romantic. What about a rustic DIY wreath? Combine twine, wooden hearts, and natural greenery. Rustic elements create a cozy, handmade aesthetic full of warm charm. Rustic ready? Like this if your wreath feels earthy and sweet. How do I make a wreath with felt hearts? Cut felt into heart shapes and attach them with glue or pins. Layer colors for dimension and a soft handmade look, perfect for Valentine's Day. Felt hearts added? Like this if your wreath feels cozy. How do I make a modern heart-shaped wreath? Use a heart frame and wrap with mesh, felt, or greenery. Add mini hearts or metallic accents for a chic and stylish Valentine design. Heart shape done? Like this if your wreath looks trendy and cute. How do I finish my wreath design? Add a statement bow, charm, or floral pick. Step back and adjust spacing to ensure your wreath looks full, balanced, and visually charming. Finished perfectly? Like this if your wreath is Valentine ready. How do I add lights to my wreath? Use battery fairy lights and weave them gently through florals or ribbon. Soft lighting creates a warm, romantic glow, perfect for evening. Lights glowing? Like this if your wreath sparkles beautifully. How can I decorate with ribbons? Tie bows, wrap ribbon around the base, or layer satin and lace. Ribbon adds texture, movement, and beautiful Valentine softness. Ribbon styled? Like this if your wreath already feels dreamy. How do I choose the right wreath base? Use wire, grapevine, or foam bases depending on your style. Grapevine feels rustic, while foam or wire frames give a clean, modern look. Base selected? Like this if your wreath foundation is ready to craft. Can I use flowers for a romantic look? Absolutely. Roses, peonies, or baby's breath bring classic Valentine charm. Faux flowers are long-lasting and perfect for crafting. Florals added? Like this if your wreath blooms with love. Can I personalize my Valentine wreath? Add initials, name tags, or small message banners. Personalized touches make your wreath meaningful and uniquely yours. Personal touch? Like this if your wreath tells your love story. Can I create a minimalist Valentine wreath? Yes, use a simple hoop and add a few flowers or a small cluster of hearts. Minimal designed, airy, and beautifully modern. Minimal magic? Like this if your wreath feels simple yet stunning. DIY Valentine's Day wreaths add heartfelt beauty to any home. With florals, ribbons, lights, and personalized touches, you can craft a stunning decoration that celebrates love in your own unique style. Inspired by these wreath ideas? Like and check back for more Valentine decorating inspiration.